Hello all, welcome to Wings Coding. In this video, we are going to see about the various dialog boxes available in JavaScript. So the dialog boxes basically helps us in communicating some of the information from our programming to the user, or whenever we have to capture an information from the user to our programming world. It helps us enable a two-way communication between the user and our programming. Firstly, let's see how do we write a alert box. So as per our previous tutorial, we have seen writing an alert box. So the way to write an alert box is alert is a keyword and also the open parenthesis and close parenthesis. And within that, we can write a string or a variable or number, anything we can write. So a string variable will go here. Let me say it as welcome to JavaScript. Now to check an output of this, whenever I'm refreshing, as we discussed in our previous chapter, we could see that during the page load, we are able to see the alert box that communicates as welcome to JavaScript world. So the user now has to acknowledge saying that the message has been received by clicking on OK. Once the OK button has been clicked, the alert box will disappear. The next one is prompt. Prompt basically helps us in receiving an information from the user. And we also must know about the comment line. So what is a comment line is something which is made for making a note into our programming, and also this is not considered for an execution. So the comment lines can be made with a double slash. Whenever we do a double slash before any word or any line, so that particular line will be considered as ignored from execution. Now, I want to show a prompt. Instead of saying it as welcome to JavaScript world, I want to greet it with the username. So when I have to know the user's name, I have to receive the user. I have to get the username from the user in some way. So that some way will be with the help of prompt. So how do we write a prompt? Prompt is again a keyword. So just type prompt and then say open and close parenthesis as it's a function call. So now first we have to give it with a message. The message is going to be enter your name. And once the prompt is shown as enter the username, it is going to showcase an string. It is returning in string data type. So when it is returning a string data type, we have to store that into some variable. So we'll see the variables in the coming chapters. Stay tuned to my video for more interesting topics on variables. Now let's see the output. Now you can see that there is a prompt that is coming up here with a text box. So in this text box, I'm just going to enter my name called as Wings. And when I click OK, it is taking me to the next line of execution. That is an alert box line. But now I want to showcase, as per our plan, we have decided to showcase our username along in this alert box. So as I have my name captured username from the prompt box, the value is stored inside the username variable. So now when I want to display the username to my output window, I have to use the username variable here into the alert box. So this plus works as a concatenation to merge the string of welcome to JavaScript world and username. Now let's see our output. So when I enter Wings, so we could see that the Wings value was captured into the username, and the username is now coming back into the alert box. So which means a variable helps us in storing a short information into a place, and whenever we require, we can recite that value from that particular variable name. And there is another thing that we can get is, so here I write a function called as in handle click. So when I write a function called as in handle click, I have to get a confirmation from my user saying greet before greeting a user, I should know if I am supposed to greet them or I should not be greeting them. So to know if I have to greet them, I'll write a confirm, that's a keyword, and then I'll say, are you sure you want to see the greeting? Are you sure to see the greeting? Okay. So whenever I'm clicking on this button, I should first get a confirmation if I can greet the user. Once if the user confirms yes, only then we'll be going ahead and greeting. When I refresh this, you can see that, are you sure to see the greeting? Why does it execute much before? Is because we have called the handle click in this area. So let us comment that because it should execute only on a button click. Now you can see the are you sure you want to greet this user message has disappeared. Now I just said welcome to JavaScript world, and when I am clicking on this button only, the are you sure message confirmation will come. So here I could see that are you sure to see the greeting? Yes. Okay means it's always yes, and cancel means it's a no. So if we click on cancel, we have to say, we should not be seeing any greeting message from the user. And if we click on OK, we shall see the greeting message from the user. So this can be done in the future videos, but right now, irrespective of OK or cancel, we'll receive the greeting message. Now let me go ahead and remove this for a proper check of an output. Now you can see there is no prompts or alerts coming up. When I click on this, we could see all that we could see is only a dialog box which says, are you sure to see the greeting? And now let me click on OK, and we could see that the message disappeared. So this is all about the dialog boxes in JavaScript, and stay tuned for my videos to know and learn more on JavaScripts. If you like my videos, please do share, subscribe, and click the bell icon, like and comment.